In this video, we are going to resolve this error that whenever you are trying to access some website, as you can see here, I'm trying to access YouTube, and even that is shown as not secure, and it shows your connection is not private. Attackers might be trying to steal your information from youtube.com. So that's very annoying. How we can turn that off? Let's see. First of all, just open the Google Chrome and click on these three dots on the right hand corner. And from here, just go to the settings. Here we just go to privacy and security. And here we scroll down and go to the security option right here. From here, just go to the advanced option. And here you see this option, secure connection. Always use secure connections. So you can turn that on and try that. If it is able to resolve that, as you can see, it does. But if not, you can just try disabling that, and maybe that should solve your problem. So one of the methods should work for you. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.